All right, guys, we are back with another unboxing. So this one is actually pretty cool. A YouTube channel by the name of Watch Chris did a video on this a few months ago. Maybe it was a month ago or so. And I saw the watch, fell in love with it, and I was like, I need that in my collection. So this one is the Tissot. I'm gonna let you guys find out later. Actually, I'll probably say in the title, but whatever. Let's open this bad boy up. This is the first Tissot I've ever had. Check out how dull this knife is. This is making me look very bad, but whatever. It's fine. Oh, please don't cut into whatever packaging is on the inside. Mind you, I'm wearing my Metal Gear Solid watch today. All right. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Put that on the ground. Throw that on the ground. What the? Extra pillow? What is all this? Did they just throw all this in there? Did it just open up? What is happening? What the? What kind of packaging is this? I don't know if what the heck? That's weird. I mean, everything's in the box. Was that just extra? All right, here we go. So like I said, this is the first Tissot I've ever had. So I'm kind of excited to own one, and especially own this. You'll see what it is here in a minute. Now, before I open it, please make sure you like the video, subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a review on this very soon. A lot of people are interested in this watch, so please like the video, share the video, subscribe. All right, here we go. Oh, they actually just tossed it in. Removing the plastic. You guys already know what it is. This is the Tissot PRX. I got the blue dial variant here. Let me just go ahead and take off the plastic. Wow. Check that out. That is a very, very nice looking watch. Look at that sunburst dial. That is very nice. So you guys get up close there. All right, let me pull this plastic off. Sticky, very sticky. So I saw this watch, and the reason I liked it so much was it reminded me of a old, maybe like a 1980s Seamaster. My dad actually has a 1980s Seamaster, and it reminded me of that, the TV dial. Go ahead and take this back plastic off. And, you know, it's a cool little sports watch. The retro, ooh, that's nice. The retroness, if that's even a word, of this watch is very cool. So there it is, up close and personal. Is that spec? Is that on top of the glass, under the glass? Hang on here 1 second. Let's see. That better be on top of the glass. All right, it's gone. So check out that beautiful watch. Look at that bracelet. Wow, that is nice. So rumor has it that this watch is going to come out in a mechanical version, as long as this sells well. And with the interest that I've seen online, this watch is going to sell out, and they're going to make an automatic version. So if you wanted to wait for the automatic version, by all means, wait for it. But I don't mind having a quartz version. It's slim, it looks very nice, and it's going to keep accurate time. I don't have to worry about that. But now this watch is going to be my weekend warrior. Very sporty. You could dress this up, dress this down. It's casual. You could wear it with a suit. It fits with pretty much any situation. I'm going to go ahead and actually put this on the wrist here. And if you want, like I said before, if you wanted to wait for the automatic, by all means, wait for it. But this is a hot item, so I see this staying very popular for a long time. Let me just go ahead and take this off here. For For those of you that wanted to see the model number, there it is. Solid butterfly clasp. Now, it's not sized up at all, but man, that looks nice. Look how flashy that bracelet is. That looks really premium. The butterfly clasp is actually really nice too. It's a little bit thick. It sits up a little high, but overall, this is a very nice looking watch. I'm super surprised. $300? Not a bad investment in my book. This is super nice. I'm very excited to review this. So like I said before, I'm going to be reviewing this watch very soon. So please like the video, subscribe, and check out my other reviews I have in the channel. I've got about 20 or so different videos ranging from reviews to reaction videos and stuff like that, other unboxings. So, all right, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.